In the last portrait, I tried the so-called Mars grisaille, an underpainting with Mars colors. The major problem with that was that I found it pretty slow, and I thought, on this one, since it's a small portrait, I will try to make it alla prima, or at worst, alla seconda, that is, at the second try, to finish it in 2 settings. I started with a tinted background, with a yellow ochre, underpainting lead white, and Mars black. And for the body of the painting, I decided I would go with a sort of modern Zorn palette with yellow ochre, cadmium red, Mars black and titanium white, plus an addition of cobalt teal. I went with the big bold brushes for the beginning of the painting. It took me several attempts to make it even start to look like the client. I have made a lot of pastel live portraits, but in oils and from a photo, I found it pretty damn hard. Perhaps I should have just printed the reference photo and put it side by side, but whatever. I managed to make the highlights not excessively light, and I used the cobalt teal to give a hint of skylight. At the end of the first session, I still managed to do a decent painting alla prima. And the second session, I used further the cobalt teal and cobalt blue, plus black to make the colors of the jacket, which I didn't work at all in the first session. Then I took the smaller brushes and gave a refinement to all of the facial features. I used a more transparent version of Venetian red in the face and cheeks, and in the lips I went with Perol Rubin PR264. It took a while, but after a little consultation with my client, I gave the painting its final form. I'm glad she's happy, and I came up with a complete painting in just 2 sittings. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up to say you like this video. Subscribe to this channel by clicking the red button, and click the bell to receive a notification when I upload a new video. Visit me in social networks, Facebook, Instagram, and DeviantArt, and in my website www.arielrgh.com. Thanks for watching!